The third party bite I'm gonna show you is something I don't have very often, and they're a little bit of a luxury: bacon wrapped scallops. It's hard for me to pick a favorite appetizer that I'm making today, but I think this one would be it. These are amazing. I'm just wrapping the last scallop in a piece of bacon, and I actually gave the bacon a head start. I baked it in the oven at 350 for about 20-25 minutes, and that helped some of the fat to render. And this way, since the scallops don't take very long to cook, the bacon won't be undercooked by the time the scallops are cooked. I thought this through, guys. So I'm just securing with a toothpick, and they look fantastic. Now, sometimes I'll cook these in the oven, but I decided to cook them in a skillet this time. So I have a big iron skillet that's preheated. I'm gonna cook all of these until the scallops are cooked through, and then I'll take them out and make a sauce. So I'll do them in 2 batches. And first, put 10 into a large skillet on high heat. I'll sear them for 3 minutes, moving them around so they don't stick, and keep checking to see if they're done. Then I'll turn them over, keep them moving, and after a couple of minutes, take them out onto a sheet pan. Then I'll cook the rest. The oil temperature has changed, so I'll do this slightly differently and keep turning them for about 5 minutes until they're done. Then I'll take them out to join the others on the sheet pan. If you think those bacon wrapped scallops look good, wait till you see them and taste them with the buttery, spicy lime sauce. It is incredible. I'm just gonna add some butter to the same skillet, and the skillet's really hot, so it's gonna melt in no time. And it's basically picking up all of that bacon flavor and scallop flavor. All right, and then I'm gonna add some garlic, some crushed red pepper flakes, that's where the spice comes in, and then a little squeeze of honey and the juice of a lime. I've got it all ready to go. Ooh, I love that sound. That is so pleasing. All right, it's just gonna take about a minute for this to thicken. So while it does, I'm gonna get those scallops on a platter. All right, I told you this sauce would thicken while I got the scallops on a platter, so I want you to look at this. How lovely that looks. Every single element is here for a reason, including me. Okay, I'm gonna kind of push the sauce over to one side of the pan. I was going to spoon the sauce over each scallop, but that's way too meticulous and careful for my personality. I'd rather pour. Plus, I am a robust country woman. I can wrangle an iron skillet. So I'll just pour this beautiful sauce. They don't need to be totally doused with the sauce, just a little kind of glaze. Oh, how beautimous. When I get excited about food, I make up words. Is beautimous a word? I don't know. All right, to garnish, I just have some sliced green onions. You could do chives, you could do parsley, you could do diced fresh jalapenos if you're feeling dangerous and spicy. All right, good to go. Well, friends, that is 20 bacon wrapped scallops. Correction. That is 19 bacon wrapped scallops, all ready to go. Pretend you didn't see that.